you're watching this video because you're either curious about Verizon 5G home internet or you need help setting it up, and in this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to set it up yourself in your own home. Really, this doesn't even need to be a video. It is that easy, but I like to hear my own voice, so I'm gonna make a video. The first step is obviously you have your internet box. You need to open it. And that's the hardest part, is finding something sharp to take off the tape with. The next step is take it out of the box and set it on a windowsill somewhere in your house. It really should be near a window because that gives you the easiest access to a Verizon cell phone signal, which ultimately is what will power the Wi-Fi through your home. The last step is to plug in the power adapter to the wall and to your modem router, and bam, you have your wireless internet. It should come mailed to you fully set up, ready to go, so you don't have to do anything on your online Verizon portal. The only step after that is to connect all of your devices to the modem router and you are good to go. But I do have a pro tip that I would highly recommend using. Yes, using the modem router Verizon gives you is strong and it gets Wi-Fi through the house. But if you're on multiple floors or your house is spread out pretty wide, I might recommend using a mesh system. To connect the mesh system to your Verizon gateway, you really should put the Verizon gateway into IP pass-through mode or bridge mode, and that can be kind of confusing, and that's my pro tip. I'm gonna show you how to turn your gateway into a bridge so you can better access your personal mesh system that you want to use. The reason we do this is because if you don't put it into pass-through mode or bridge mode, then you have two competing modem signals, and you really don't want that. You just want one simple signal that you can log into and have that be it. So now I'm going to walk you through how to turn your Verizon gateway into IP pass-through mode so you can better enjoy your Verizon internet and make it faster. Here is how you do that. It can be kind of confusing, but if you stick with me, I'll walk you through it, easy peasy. So first, you're gonna find your IP address and you're gonna type that into your search bar. You're gonna open up the router network address up here. And depending on the model you have, you may have the exact same address as I do. Once you're to the router network login page, you're gonna click log in and it will take you to a Verizon website. So this is gonna ask you to log into your gateway using your network settings password. You can find that on the bottom of your gateway. Obviously, that's going to be different for everybody. Once you click login, it will show you what your current password and Wi-Fi name is. Just click continue and you will log into your gateway portal. Once you're on this page, there is a lot of stuff going on. I want you to skip it all and just go to the top navigation bar where it says basic and advanced, and I want you to click advanced. Once you're in advanced, I want you to go to the left side and click network settings, then open that drop down and go to network connections. Once you're in network connections, we're in the home stretch. You just need to click into the network home office section. That's going to be the main hub. Once you're in the home office section, you're going to click settings, which is just to the right of that title. When you're in settings, scroll down a little bit and click the option that says IP pass-through. This will put your gateway into bridge mode, allowing you to fully connect in to your mesh system or whatever Wi-Fi extender you're using. Click Save Changes. This may take a second, but once you're there, your gateway will restart and then you are good to go. One last step you need to do is when you are setting up your mesh system, connecting it to the Verizon gateway, you're going to have to connect the Ethernet into the LAN 2 port on the Verizon gateway and connect that into the WAN port of your router mesh system. You need to do it this way, otherwise it won't work properly. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. It can be kind of confusing going through bridge mode and pass-through mode, but ultimately it is absolutely worth it. Let me know if this worked for you in the comments. I'm Sherry, your telecom expert with Whistle Out.